So first impressions of this bike, it feels like one of those. I don't know how to explain it more than it feels like a BMX bike, or like it's real small, real slender, real sleek. Clutch is freaking flawless. It's like a little baby can pull this in. Compared to my Triumph, oh god, you gotta have a strong monkey grip on that to pull in the clutch. This one's like butter smooth. You definitely can at ease, knowing that after hours of riding, you're not gonna cramp up on your clutch hand. I've had that after a day of riding on my. It's got some decent low end grunt, you know, but you definitely got to wring out the gears. These guys are going too slow, killing me. They are killing me. We're doing shit again.